and I will tell you the reason why. For I hate wrong as I used to think, and love right as I did faithfully, and let whoever have another treasures art. I have loyalty in my heart, so much that my enemies are the disloyal crew, and if they hate me for it, I care not who. I prize people, and the more I prize me, and the more I follow them, the worse I wish their case, and the more I hear them, the less I believe their plea, and the more I enter into their dwellings part, the less I have a pleasure in my heart. For if I could live on my own capital true, I would never wish to sit by their firesides of you. The firesides of you. It grieves me that death does not take them for its own, and worse that life still holds them in its dress. And it grieves me when a wicked man dies alone, for the wickedness that he has in his heart's own zone does not die with him altogether and sees its part, but stays behind with the sun in the house at heart. Many a charter I see, and many a leaf of vellum, where I find written as the story is told, that man should hate wrong and pride so fell, and leave evil and do good and whole. But the whole world through and through and through has turned the whole thing backwards in its heart's own view, that a man should leave the good and do the ill, and hate the right and love the wrong that is mortal still. Well, does he change oats for Donnell weed, and medicine for poison's cruel need, and eel for snake that crawls and breeds, who leaves God for a worthless thing's own meat so cheap? Does treason go at a base price indeed, that if the man who has the most of it in his heart's own seed brought it out for sale in the open market smart, no one would give a half an E for 100 weights part? 100 weights part. Traitor, if it delays, you do not die too late. May the wickedness you hold in your heart to stay lead you to a very wicked dwelling's gate. For never was there one who did not go to evil's